Voedselverpakkingen bevinden zich op het snijvlak van prestaties, grondstoffengebruik en duurzaamheid. Ze moeten producten beschermen, afval verminderen en inspelen op veranderende wetgeving. En dat allemaal tegelijk. Bij Klöckner Pentaplast in Featherstone werken innovatieteams aan verpakkingsformaten die zijn ontworpen om deze eisen in evenwicht te brengen, van concept tot productie. We spreken hierover met Ben.
The food packaging is discussed as part of the wider sustainability conversation because food waste in itself is a significant contributor to environmental impact, and food packaging has an important role to play in reducing that. So considering the whole life cycle of food from farm to fork and the packaging that allows it to get there is important. Sustainability in food packaging is a complex issue because it involves a number of decisions around different materials used in the packaging, and no single material or solution holds all of the sustainability answers. Often involves a compromise between recyclability or recycled content at end of life, while at the same time ensuring resource efficiency and minimising food waste.
Achter elke verpakking schuilt het proces van materiaaltesten, ontwerpkeuzes en productiebeslissingen. Dat proces is te volgen vanaf de eerste ontwikkelingsfase in het innovatiecentrum tot en met de productie van airpad trays in het aangrenzende gebouw.
Product design is really important to guarantee sustainability. And there are many different types of customer processes out there. And so it's important that each design matches the process that it will work to. Now, recyclability, recycled content and functionality are all key elements. So the end result is tailored packaging that guarantees functionality whilst maintaining sustainability. It's important to consider the whole life cycle of the product. Processing, sealing, how it looks in the retail environment, use by consumers and disposal at end of life. Then even on to recycling. So product design helps us understand how each element will move, work, function through that entire value chain. How you use the plastic resource is critical. Ensuring you use least plastic as possible by maintaining functionality, it really helps build this circular plastic economy. It's important to be able to put back recycled materials into new products. It is possible to make trays, rigid films, from 100% recycled content. And this ensures the circular use of plastics. So flexible films, while sometimes less recyclable, are very resource efficient. So it's important to show the manufacturing process, because this isn't about circularity that can be achieved in a laboratory or in an innovation center. This is about being able to translate into the real world, into the complete value chain. It has to be documented. It has to be traceable. It's about doing every tray, every day, everywhere.
Innovation centres play an incredibly important role in shaping new packaging solutions through idea generation, development of concepts, prototyping and qualifying finished designs with customers. Innovation centres allow these developments to be prototyped and worked up, scaled up into full manufacturing solutions with customers to deliver efficient and effective packaging solutions of the future. I think it's really important that the viewer understands that sustainability in food packaging is not a simple subject. It's the intersection of many disciplines, from material science through food packaging and processing and ultimately recyclability or recycling and sustainability.
Innovatie op het gebied van voedselverpakkingen draait zelden om één enkele doorbraak.